Did you know that jackfruit seeds are a good source of minerals? It contains high level of fiber, vitamin B6 and proteins. Stay tuned for this excited curry jackfruit dish.
Oh, hi there everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen.
Alright, family and friends, so as you can see, I've washed and cooked my jackfruit seeds for about 5 to 7 minutes. Guys, this is the texture that you want it to be, and then you turn off the flame and cool your jackfruit seeds to handle them. Next, family and friends, you want to remove the coating from the jackfruit seed, guys. The coating looks like this, so make sure you remove it from the seed. Now, family and friends, let me welcome my new subscribers, and if you have tried this in your country, let me know in the comment section. Next, family and friends, you move to prepare your herbs and spices and your vegetables for your sauce. So I've gone ahead and I've finally chopped my garlic, guys. I've rough chopped some onions, some tomatoes and bell pepper, guys, and I have put it aside. Next, I move to grate my ginger finally, guys, and then I prepare a 1.5 cups of coconut milk. Now, if you're using the coconut milk from the can, guys, it is okay, you don't have to prepare it, but I am using the powdered coconut. Next, family and friends, in a saucepan, I've added a tablespoon of coconut oil. To that, I will add a tablespoon of curry powder, guys, and toss well to flavor my oil. Next, I will add to that my garlic and half of my onion, guys, and ginger. Guys, I make sure to stir my garlic and ginger, guys, so that, of course, you know, maximum flavor is what I always opt for. Next, I add to that my jackfruit seeds, guys. Toss them well so that they are well flavored in the curry, guys, and then to that I will add my coconut milk. Now, guys, I'm adding my coconut milk in 2 parts. I will add 1 cup, allow it to cook for about 7 minutes, and then add the next half cup. Now, as you can see, guys, I clean up as I go, and then, guys, I allow this to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Now, family and friends, after 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. It has been reduced, flavored, looking good, guys, colored well, and then I add to that my dry herbs and spices and my tomatoes, bell peppers, and the rest of my onion. I then taste for salt, guys, and add salt and pepper to taste. I know, guys, this smells so wonderful. I can't wait to dig in. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Now, family and friends, this is one of Jamaica's delicacy. It goes well with just about any side dish, guys, and it makes the perfect meal just for you. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next week. Leave your comment in the comment section and turn on your post notification, so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. I'll see you next week, guys. Love, love, love. Mwah, love you. I'll see you next week.